In this video, I'll guide you through how to use cache coding in Xero. Cache coding is a powerful way to quickly reconcile lots of bank transactions at once, instead of dealing with them one by one. It's especially helpful if you're catching up on bookkeeping or managing a busy business bank account with lots of small, repetitive transactions. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website. Sign into your Xero account the way you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the right organization if you manage more than one business in Xero, because cache coding changes your bank reconciliation and you want to be sure you're working on the correct company. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation bar and click on Home. The home page in Xero gives you a quick overview of your business, including your bank accounts, recent transactions, and balances. This is your starting point for getting into cache coding. On the home page, find the section that shows your business bank account. This is usually displayed as a tile or card with the account name, the balance according to the bank, and the balance according to Xero. On that business bank account area, click the option that says Reconcile Items. This will take you into the bank reconciliation screen where you would normally match each bank line with an invoice, bill, or account code. Instead of working through them one at a time, we're going to switch to the cache coding view. On the reconciliation screen, look for the cache coding tab or link and click cache coding. This view changes how your transactions are displayed. Rather than seeing the usual side-by-side layout, you'll see your bank transactions in a table format with columns you can quickly fill in or edit. This layout is what makes bulk coding fast and efficient. Now that you're in the cache coding screen, you can start selecting the bank lines you want to code together. Look for the checkboxes on the left side of the transactions and select multiple transactions that should be treated the same way. For example, if you have several similar expenses like recurring software subscriptions or regular supplier payments, you can select them all at once. This reduces repetitive work and helps keep your coding consistent. After you've selected multiple transactions, you can assign the correct account code, tax rate, and any descriptions or tracking categories in one go. Xero will then apply those details to every line you've selected. Take a moment to double check that everything looks right. The account codes, tax treatment, and totals should all match what those transactions actually represent in your business. Once you're happy with the coding for your selected items, click Save and Reconcile All. This tells Xero to post all of those bank lines to your general ledger and mark them as reconciled in one action. It's a big time saver, but because it affects several transactions at once, it's worth pausing briefly before you confirm, just to make sure there are no mistakes. And that's it. You've used cache coding in Xero to rapidly reconcile multiple transactions from your business bank account. With a bit of practice, this method can turn a long, tedious reconciliation session into a quick, efficient task while still keeping your books accurate and up to date.